Getting your classes configured just right is only the beginning. Next, you'll want to define properties to hold the information that you'll be storing in FlexVertex. That's what this video is all about. As we just saw, properties hold the actual information you want to store in FlexVertex. You're free to create a combination of inherited properties from base classes, as well as new ones in subclasses, as shown here. FlexVertex offers an extensive range of property types, providing comprehensive data type support for your database schema. From basic types like integers and strings to more complex ones like lists, maps, and universally unique identifiers, this variety ensures that you can accurately represent any kind of data your application requires. This flexibility allows for precise data modeling, enhancing data integrity and consistency. Additionally, it supports specialized types like currency and datetime, making it easier to handle domain-specific data. By leveraging these diverse property types, you can build robust and scalable database structures tailored to your application's needs. Understanding classes and properties means that you're now ready to see a realistic example, which is what's next.